Hey everybody, Ed Staten here, and it's so awesome to have you here checking out this video as we dive a little bit deeper into online marketing. And today's lesson that we're sharing with you is how to create a Facebook ad to drive traffic to a website to help sell products, whether it's for yourself or for a client, and that sort of thing. So if you find some value in this, please like this video. And it would be really awesome and so appreciated if you would actually subscribe to our channel as well, because we're going to be producing more and more of these type of videos to provide you with a big push for your goal to do some serious online marketing. Today we're going to launch a Facebook ad campaign to sell a specific product. And the item that we're setting up a campaign for is this LSU Tigers helmet, football helmet lamp that's made by Jenkins Enterprises. It sells for $179.95. It's on Amazon, but we want to do a Facebook campaign to drive traffic to this. Now, I've already created the campaign, but we're going to go step by step, and I'm going to show you how we did that. Now, within Facebook, once you set up a business account, you can go to what's called their ads manager. You can actually create an advertisement to promote your business, products, services, just anything that really that you can imagine. And today, of course, we're selling the lamp. I'm gonna go ahead and put these glasses on so I can see so much better. Now, each campaign starts off with you giving it a campaign name. We just kept it real simple with this LSU Tiger helmet lamp. It's going to ask you, is this for a special ad category? And it is not related to credit, employment, or housing, so we don't even have to worry with that. The primary buying type is auction, so I left that as well. And of course, there are different objectives that you can click. One might be leads, just reach. I mean, there's various sundry different objectives, but here we're wanting to drive traffic to that Amazon page, and that's why I selected that. We'll be producing more videos in the future to talk about other type of Facebook ads. Campaign budget optimization, I kept it real simple here, and we did not choose that selection for that. Now let's see. Okay, so we've got all that picked. So think of a kind of a three-page process for setting up these ads. The first one is your the LSU Tiger helmet lamp, the campaign name. Okay, so now we're going to go to the ad set, and I just went ahead, kept it simple, but I gave the ad set name LSU Tiger helmet lamp. Now here you decide where you want Facebook to drive the traffic to. People are coming to Facebook, they're seeing the ad. Where will the ad direct them to? Well, we're directing them to a website, which is going to be Amazon.com, and we'll get that connected in the next phase of this ad. Here's something else that Facebook has, the dynamic creative. Again, we're keeping it real simple here, just going through some basic steps to show you the initial way to set up a campaign. The budget and schedule, I've got us scheduled for $5 a day, which will help us reach between 422 and basically 1,200 people a day, generating 19 to 54 clicks. Those are just estimates. The start date for this campaign would be today, Friday, December 6th, 2019. We don't have an end date pushed in there right now, but we could say, hey, we just want this ad to run for 2 days or a week or whatever. Then you can also choose ad scheduling. Do you want the ads to run all the time, or do you want them to run, say, like on a specific schedule? If you were generating an ad that you wanted people to place a phone call to a business, you might want to set up a schedule where the ad only ran, say, Monday through Friday, starting maybe at 9 o'clock in the morning and kind of tailing off at 3:30 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, so now we are actually creating our audience. Right now, there are 300 and probably about 300 million people in the United States, and that's a lot of folks, and most of them aren't LSU Tiger fans, even though the Tigers have a big fan base. But But they do have a fan base that reaches across the 50 states. So for this purpose, I chose United States. Now we could have just said, hey, let's do Louisiana, and you would see that Louisiana, United States would pop up as an option. But we are going to see Louisiana there, but we're going to target fans across the country, because as you'll see, the next step, we can target LSU fans throughout the country and still do it very efficiently. So let's go back in here and put United States, and it should pop back up for us. There we go. Right now, you're seeing the potential reach of people. So I've picked an age, which is 30 to 54, which I thought was a good, more narrow demographic there. I mean, you can pick younger audiences, going all the way back to like 13 years old. I don't think there's a lot of 13-year-olds with the expendable cash to buy this $180 product. So I went ahead and started it at, let's say, 30, and then capped it at 54. And I chose all genders, not just men and not women. Let's go ahead and just since all the narrative, the text within the ad is going to be in English, let's just pick people that speak English or can read English. And so that's an option for us right there. Now, I did this earlier, but I picked the demographics to match the ad up with, okay? So I was able to choose LSU football, LSU Tigers football. I'll show you some of the other suggestions that Facebook came up with. Clicking here. Let's see, there's LSU Tigers baseball, but that's not really anything that we're wanting, because we were wanting specific football fans. That's LSU football, but employers. But I've got LSU football, and I've got LSU Tigers football, and a full 2.5 million people to target, which is plenty. We can save this audience by clicking that right there. Placement is something else that's on this page. Automatic placements, we're going to let Facebook handle that if we wanted to. We could do some editing, and some more options would be presented there. Where optimization for ad delivery is link clicks, and there are other options as well, but right now that is what we're looking for. So we've got all these things lined up. We've picked our audience, LSU fans. We've picked them to be throughout the United States. We've picked them to be people that can read English and that sort of thing. So we're really creating an ad that's for a product on Amazon, LSU helmet lamp, and we're telling Facebook to send that ad to LSU Tiger fans. And that's the beauty of online marketing. You can get those niche audiences and push aside the waste and get your product in front of the eyes of the people that truly are interested in that product. Okay, the final page to make edits on as you're creating an ad is the actual creative ad page. And once again, I gave the ad name LSU Tigers helmet lamp. If we were doing a split test, maybe trying two different types of ads and getting them to compete against one another, so that ultimately one would be more efficient and the one that we would want to move forward with after 3 or 4 days, then that would be one thing. And we might have LSU Tigers helmet lamp, number 1 or number 2. Okay. Now here, with any Facebook campaign that you create, it has to be associated with a Facebook page. And we are creating this ad for a client called the HeismanWinners.com. So you see, there were other pages that I could have chosen from all these here, but ultimately we wanted the HeismanWinners.com, and that's the Facebook page that's associated with this ad. There are different types of creative that you can choose. There's the single image ad or single video right there. The carousel, which is 2 or more scrollable images or videos. And then the collection, a group of items that opens up into a full screen mobile experience. And as Facebook progresses, as Facebook day to day to day to day gets more sophisticated, there are more and more options to tweak your creative and get more of a dynamic approach. But again, for this video, we're just keeping it as simple as possible. So we uploaded the image, and it is in there as well. I'll show you. Let's see. You can go in there and crop the image, original, vertical. That's actually what Facebook is recommending. So we're going to select that. Let me slide that over and click save, and then that's what we'll be moving forward with. And let's see what else. Oh, we had to, you always want to have add copy to go with the photo. And I typed this in. The tremendous Go Tigers spirit will be generated with this LSU 33-inch football helmet lamp. You put your headline in to try to generate interest, and so I added, let your LSU spirit shine with this football helmet lamp. I think I'll add with this Tigers football lamp, make it more specific for LSU Tiger fans. You could type in the description there. It's optional. Sometimes this description will show in your ad if it's likely to resonate with the person seeing it. And let's see, we're going to a website. This URL right here, the website URL, is the URL for the product on Amazon. Let me go back to that. Let's see. So we copied and pasted this URL. Let's see, I don't know if you can see it. There we go. We copied and pasted this URL. Well, we copied that URL, and then we pasted it back into the Ads Manager, and there it is. And let's see. And then a call to action button is shop now. And of course, I think for the most part, we have created our ad, and it is ready to roll. As I said earlier, there are more options to choose, more levels of sophistication when creating a Facebook ad. But for this entry level, we've gone over some very important steps that I hope will prove to be very helpful for you. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Let's go ahead and publish it and let Facebook, the cronies there, and I say cronies in a very positive way, let them review the ad and approve it and get it in front of LSU Tiger fans so we can sell some lamps. But anyway, I'm so thankful that you watched this. I'm part of a team that provides tremendous instruction on online marketing. Very sophisticated. It's a team effort, and the training that we provide is so much more thorough than what I've provided today on the many aspects of Facebook marketing, the many aspects of YouTube marketing. With Facebook, it's kind of pay to play. You generate ads, and you pay for them, and then you hope to get a response there. With YouTube, you're creating videos, much like you're probably watching this on YouTube right now, and you move forward by getting rankings and getting a lot of organic traffic as well. So the link to training opportunities to help you take it to the next level, like I'm taking it to the next level, is included in the text on this below this video. So please check that out. But thank you for watching this. I hope it was valuable for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you so much.